Welcome to Appliances by Masood. Today I will tell you about Bosch grill. It has adjustable height and it has contact grill, open flat grill and also oven and grating type. It has removable plates, dishwasher safe, and it has temperature control. So let's look at this. If you see this one, this is the coil up and down both sides, which gets hot and it start grilling by this method. These plates are removable plates. Once you can easily remove it from both sides. You can see this locks, and also this one, it has a 2 trays for fat dripping, and when you close it, it's become contact grill. When you make it flat 180-degree, it is like barbecue grill. So you can use many things like chicken, fish, meat, sticks, and also burger, hamburgers, sandwiches. So many things you can do in this one. So this is the lock and unlock from both sides. Once it's become hot, you can lock it so that it will be safe for your children and for you also, so that you can do not touch it. And it is made in Greece and 2000 watts, red color, beautiful design, slim, compact, from Bosch. If you like the video, share it, subscribe it. Thanks for watching Appliances by Masood.